Draw an outline of Ganesha's face on the cover of a sari. After drawing, cut it out carefully and paste a chart paper on it. Now color the cutout according to your choice. Here I am mixing orange and white to give a nice beautiful color. Here I am decorating the mukut or a crown with paper flowers and some adhesive stones. Now I am adding ribbons to the headdress. I am adding ears over the ribbons to hide it. Here is the final look. If you like, please like, subscribe and share.